these two want to become a polymer. They want to come together and form that glycoside bond, but we have an OH in the way and an H in the way. So what needs to happen is dehydration synthesis. So what are we going to do? What is dehydration synthesis? It's on the board. Build using water. So what's going to happen, you guys can spread out a little bit. We're going to create water here. And now you guys are free to come together and flip over your cards. Ah, you're a polymer now. All right.
Hold on. Now, don't forget there's an oxygen.
Oh, what?
There's an oxygen in the middle though, right?
Oh,
So
right.
it's two OHs and two OHs,
Yeah.
and an oxygen gets left over.
Right. So then, what would they be after dehydration synthesis occurred? Yeah. Sucrose.
I'm making you a circle.
I have another circle and another O, of course. I left it off. I don't know. So let's do that again with two different volunteers, shall we?
Hey, this is
Jordan, I saw first, and Nick, I saw first. Come on down. Couple of mummers. Make sure you guys are staying right here.
that's fine.
So you both will have an OH.
How does it just disappear like that?
How does what disappear?
I don't know, they could just send me their whole
What do you mean that they?
So you're left over with this glycoside bond and polymers and water.
So guys, what you end up with, what I think Herb did just for a question is like, for a second. Here's what happens, okay? We gotta get the water from somewhere, right? So what ends up happening, and we're demonstrating right now, is there's an OH that's right here. And there's an OH right there. Now what ends up happening here is this. Water, we know, is H2O, right? So what ends up happening is this OH right here goes, and we're going to flip this, okay, and make this HO, so that I can do this. So I can grab onto that H, and now right here, and I'll even make it into like a different color, make it pink. Do you notice how many hydrogens and oxygens there are in this pink box?
2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen.
Right? 1, 2 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen, right? 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. What's left over when we get rid of those?
oxygen.
You're left with 1 oxygen right here, right? And that's what this oxygen is right there. It's the oxygen that's left over when this OH and this OH take out the water and get rid of it. You have that oxygen right there, and that's what's bonding them right there. It's called a glycoside bond. I don't know if she's used that term yet, but
Yep.
I'll stop. Read. So, all right, I'm out of your video now again, but back to her.
Okay.
But just do you want 2 OHs? So it's a really good visual, right? He's working hard here, and that's awesome.
And I made a hot pink.
They are hot pink. I mean, and everyone loves a little hot pink, don't they?
Oh man.
Not really. All right, so
Not
dehydration synthesis. We'll have our OH from here. And these to make water. Oh no, I lost your O.
And then really what they should do, and what you guys should do is hold your, like, yeah, turn it.
Oh yeah.
And then you're going to hold it with this hand. You're going to hold it with this hand, then together, you guys are going to
Oh.
That's what's bonding you together.
And plus H2O.
And then you have water. And what does this water do? Well, if you got dehydrated, what does it mean? Water did what from you? It went away. So guess what this water does? It goes wherever it wants to go. and does whatever it needs to do. It's free, exactly. So you take an OH and an OH, pull out of water, left with an oxygen, bonds together. And that's what you see right here. The OH here, the OH here, taking out H2O, leaving oxygen, bonding together. This type of bond is called a what?
Glycoside.
Well, okay, it's called glycoside bond because it's a carbohydrate. But in general, what do we call the process of bonding together?
Hydrogen synthesis.
Yeah, we take away water, so dehydration, and you're putting two things together, so the word is synthesis.
Alright, so we'll erase this part. So if you'll see on page, it says page 19, that dehydration synthesis page. We're going to put those two molecules together using dehydration synthesis. So you have one, I'll try my best to draw this quickly.
Do we have to do the whole thing over again?
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Is there some way to like add a picture?
It's
Yeah.
already on here. You guys don't have to draw the picture.
Oh, we don't?
No,
That's
it's
awesome.
on your finger on your
Don't.
You don't.
Oh, we had to like draw it over or something. Like you have to redo
I
something.
think we'll have to draw this part though.
Oh no.
Which one is this? Dehydration synthesis or?
This is dehydration synthesis.
Yeah.
You're just like this.
I never know.
There's an equal O and
I'm working hard to make it look the same.
Yeah, I found how to add a photo.
I'm not on W.
Let me see it.
I'm on Adobe Reader.
No, really.
Alright. So you guys should see a picture similar to this on page 19. So if we picture these as, each of these as one of our little pink squares, one of our monomers, and we want to put them together to create a
You should put it-
polymer,
Oh, yeah, this one doesn't work.
what am I going to do here? If I was to place some rings around these things, I'm going to take water out, right? So I'll give you a hint on the first one. Here we have some water. We have H2O. Another H2O. And
Oh, shit,
again.
I'm going.
So draw little rings on your picture in your packet around your H's and O's. So what am I going to be left with after this occurs? The water's going to go away, right? So I'll have water over here. Will I just have one water? Oops. 3. 4. How many waters will I have? How many water molecules? 3. 3. All right, and then what's going to be left in the middle here? These are going to be bonded together, right? So,
Oxygen.
so you guys will have to draw this one. Sorry.
Oxygen's a little bit left.
Oh dear.
I'm taking a picture and put it under there.
Yes.
Someone will be mad at me. Kind of close. No, but it'll be really.
Okay.
Did you mean to put the equal sign in those?
These are actually double bonds. They're not equal signs.
Is this like gonna be a homework that you can check?
No, just fill these in. We're doing these together.
It's so
So guys, what she's showing you here, again, I'm gonna circle in orange. See this oxygen right here, this oxygen right here, and this oxygen right here that I've underlined in orange?
Yep.
That's this one, and this one that was left over when this water went away, that water went away, and that water went away. This oxygen is that one. This oxygen is that one. This oxygen is that one. And so what ends up happening is these oxygens end up being the glue that takes these two separate things and holds them together. Right, they join together because they make a water and they're left with this oxygen joining them. Because this part was that thing. This part was this. And yes, that's a double bond and not an S. They're going to be equal sign.
Mrs. Streeter.
Yeah.
You're at like 11 minutes.
Okay, we
Start again.
stop it. Wait, I love the